Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Vivo phone guys update ringtone setting guys, and today we'll title guys how can we update ringtone in our Vivo phone. Friends, you want to update guys your Vivo phone ringtone guys. So how can you update today friends? I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we update Vivo phone ringtone. So friends, first of all we will on our phone setting to update ringtone. After on phone setting with direct guys, we will search here ringtone. So I will search here guys ringtone. So friends, you can see guys your phone ringtone. So I will click on phone ringtone. So friends, direct guys we will update our phone ringtone from here. So example for guys, I will take guys any ringtone, set out ringtone guys, I will tap here to update it. So friends, you can see get this my set out ringtone will update in my Vivo phone, and guys I can customize this ringtone volume from here, increase and decrease. So like that guys, we can update ringtone in our Vivo phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to update ringtone. Bye guys.